Hello students, myself Nilima Gite, working as a lecturer in Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this session, I am going to show you how to create a table in Java. So in Java, for table creation, JTable class is defined in javax.swing package. So let us start with the program. So in this program I am using Notepad++ editor. So open the Notepad++ editor, go to the file menu, click on the new option. So in the program the first step is import the packages which is required. So first I will be importing Java x.swing package for JTable class. In this program I am using applet class. So for applet, import java.applet.star semicolon package. Then declare applet class using public, then class. Here class name is given. So for I am using demo table as a class name, extends applet, inside this class will define init method, and in init method we will be creating JTable object and that will be added on applet. So before using init method, I will be initializing two array. First array is for data initialization, that is data which is to be added in a table. And the second array is used for initializing all the column head names. So for data initialization, object class is used. So object, then variable is data. So two-dimensional array is used to initialize the table data. Inside the curly braces, again inside the curly brace, the first row data is initialized. Then using comma, we can separate the row data. So if I use the first as one value, then second is my name of student. So for example, if I am using ABC is the name of student and the percentage of student is given, suppose 75. So here first row of table is initialized. Similarly, initialize second row and so on. So I said it's the name of student, then the percentage of student is 89. Then third row is initialized. So likewise we can initialize multiple rows of data. At the end of statement, semicolon is given. Then the next array is column heading array, which is initialized by using string, then call is array name, square bracket is equal to, again inside the curly braces the values are initialized. First value of the table row is roll number, so the column name is roll number. Second column is used for name of student, so column heading is name of student. And the third column is used for percentage value, so the column heading is percent. Once these two arrays are initialized, I will be define init method that as public void init. inside the init method, so first we'll create a JTable object as JTable. JT is equal to new JTable. The constructor of JTable consists of two parameters. First is data array and second is column array. So we are passing the array name. First array is data, comma, second array name is call. So JT object is created. Now here next step is create JScrollPen object. So the scrollpen object will add the scroll bar to table component. So for creating JScrollPen, we'll use JScrollPen. JSP is equal to new JScrollPen and the component is JT, which is my table object. Then we add this component on applet using add method. So add JSP. Brackets are closed. Then the next is declare applet tag inside the comment. So the comment is given, then applet tag is used, which consists of three attributes. Code is equal to demo table is my class name. Then the width of applet is given, so width is 300. Then height of applet window is given, which is again 300, and then close applet tag. Now save this program using class name. So save. My class name is demo table, so I am using demo table.java. Now the file is saved. So compile it and execute it. So open the command prompt, then use javac to compile the program. So javac, my file name is demo table.java. Press enter. So program is compiled successfully. Now execute the applet using applet viewer and the file name is demo table.java. Now this is my applet window where the table is created, which consists of this value, roll number, name of student and the percentage value. So this is the program which will be used to create a table in Java using JTable class defined in javax.swing package. Thank you.